Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Wow, what a beautiful sunny day. Il fait beau soleil. I am so happy to see you today because we have a brand new lesson on sentences. And if you think, oh madame, just scares me to learn sentences, don't be scared. Maybe you want a friend beside you. Maybe your favorite Stuffy? Well, let's say bonjour to my favorite friend. Can we say bonjour, Ananas? Can you repeat that in a nice loud voice? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, c'est Ananas. Ça va bien, Ananas? Oui, ça va bien. Tu dis bonjour aux amis? Oui, c'est bien. Alors, on va commencer par choisir une couleur aujourd'hui. Can you repeat after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Quelle couleur est-ce que tu choisis aujourd'hui? You want to pick a color? Noir? D'accord, c'est le noir aujourd'hui. This series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 5.13, U sound. Leçon 5.13, son U. Alors, on va commencer, les amis. On commence. Oh, regarde, Ananas. Do you remember the French word for squirrel? Oui, écureuil. And if you remember that, bravo. Écureuil. Oui, c'est bien. Now, when we make a sentence, we have to add some words. So that's what a sentence is. It's a bunch of words that mean something. It has a message. So Madame has put two extra words at the beginning of the sentence. So this is the beginning, the start of the sentence. In French, a sentence is called une phrase. And the beginning is called le début de la phrase. So the beginning of this one is tu vois. Can you repeat that? Tu vois. And that means you see. So we're going to say what you see on the screen. So the next thing to think about when you're writing a sentence is we have to think about the gender of the thing we're talking about, or the animal in this case. So, écureuil is a word that's going to be either masculine or feminine. And we need to figure out what it is because we must write it in our sentence. And even when we say it out loud, we need to know what it is. So, we go to the little word in front of it and we see a E at the end. So, that means that it's feminine, féminin. So, this little word is pronounced une. Can you try that? Une. So we're going to say une écureuil. Can you say that? Une écureuil. Now let's try the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Tu vois une écureuil. Encore. Encore means again. Tu vois une écureuil. Bravo! Now, do you know what the sentence means? If you said, you see a squirrel, you are correct. Bravo. On continue, les amis. On continue. This is one of Ananas' favorite. Oui, Ananas, oui. Do you remember the word for jam? It's confiture. Confiture. And that is correct. Good remembering. Now, can you tell me if this word confiture is masculine or feminine? Est-ce que c'est masculin ou féminin? So, because confiture is a quantity, we put la confiture. Because we cannot say just une confiture, it's la confiture. Une confiture means it is feminine, but we're going to use la instead of une because we're talking about the whole thing, the whole bunch of jam here. So, la confiture is feminine. Let's try the whole sentence. Tu vois de la confiture. Tu vois de la confiture. And do you remember what it means? You see some jam. Bravo! C'est bien, les amis, on continue. Oh, do you remember the French word for blanket? Couverture. Couverture. Now, can you tell me if it's a masculine or a feminine word? Do you know, Anana? Oui, tu sais? Oui, you know? So the way we figure it out, we go to the little word in front and it has an E at the end. So it says une. And une tells us it's féminin, feminine. Une couverture. Bravo. Now, can we say the whole thing? Toute la phrase? Tu vois une couverture. Tu vois une couverture. You see a blanket. Oui! Bravo! Oh, this is going really well. You're doing a great job. Oh, oh, Anana. Oui, do you remember the name of the word for light? Is lumière. Lumière. Now, can you tell me, is lumière a masculine or a feminine word? Alors, on regarde ici, il y a un E. So this is une. Une tells us it's a feminine word. Now, you're going to say, Madame, if une lumière is feminine, does that mean the light is a girl? No, it means the word for light is féminin, feminine. Now let's say the whole thing together. Toute la phrase. Tu vois une lumière. Encore. Tu vois une lumière. Do you remember what it means? You see a light. Bravo! Yay! On continue, mes amis. Oui. I think, do you remember? Do you remember the French word for a cell phone? Téléphone cellulaire. It's a long one. Téléphone cellulaire. Now, can you tell me, is téléphone cellulaire a masculine or a feminine word? Let's go see. We notice there's no E at the end of this little word. It just says un. Un is masculine, so we know this is a masculine word. Can you repeat after me? Un téléphone cellulaire. One more time. Un téléphone cellulaire. Now, we're going to say the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Tu vois un téléphone cellulaire. Encore. Tu vois un téléphone cellulaire. Bravo! Do you remember what it means? You see a cell phone. Bravo, les amis. What a great job you're doing. Ouh, Ananas. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? C'est une question? Une question pour madame? Oui, c'est une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Ouh, dans mon sac, Ananas. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? On va regarder dans le sac. OK, Ananas? D'accord, on va regarder dans le sac. Dans means inside. Dans le sac. Alors, mets ta main dans le sac, Ananas. Mets ta main dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'on voit? Oh! Oh, Ananas. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? C'est un téléphone cellulaire, Ananas. Tring! Oh, somebody calling? Tring! Oui, allô? Oui, bonjour. Oui, c'est madame. Ah oui, d'accord. Au revoir. Oh, do you know who that was? That was your friend, ton amie Fraise. She wanted to know if she could come over to play. And I said, oui. Where is my friend? Oh, here she is. Dis bonjour, Fraise. Bonjour, Fraise. Oh, there she is. Bonjour, Fraise. Oh, les amis, did you have fun today learning all about sentences? Not so scary, right? Did you have fun? Oui. Les amis, I'm going to say au revoir. Au revoir, Fraise. Au revoir, Ananas. Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, les amis.